Welcome back. Let's begin with. Got a couple of tasks that need to be done on centos-host server. Most of these tasks are dependent on each other, but not all of them. Inspect the requirements in detail by clicking on the icons of the interactive architecture diagram on the right and complete the tasks. Once done, click on the check button to validate your work. Two, the bottom half of the interface contains the terminal which you will use to complete the tasks. If you are visiting for the first time or haven't subscribed yet, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more posts. Happy learning! The first step is to become root. I have created the individual steps in the blog that is given in the description box. I am going to run the entire lab task in automated script. You will get scripted commands from the Git repo. Kindly refer to the link given in the description box. If you have any issues, feel free to connect with me by online support chat on my blog. All the best! To validate if a task is complete, you can click on the check button. If complete, the icons in the architecture diagram will be highlighted in green. If something is yet to be completed, it will be highlighted in red. To complete the challenge, you must complete all the tasks.